stuck at home during the pandemic makes us daydream a lot about future travels. But why dream about the beaches of Bali or the canals of Venice when you could stay in a hotel that is literally out of this world? Here are the plans to build the world's first space hotel. By the way, make sure to click that subscribe button to stay up to date with all our engaging videos, and use that trigger finger by smashing that like button. Now, let's get into it. The idea of a space hotel is no new one. It has long been our dream to leave Earth, and combining it with the activity we all love, which is vacation, seems like the perfect match. Providing you are ultra-rich, that dream could very soon become a reality. It is the Voyager space station hotel that is set to make this dream come true for a select few. Though there have been some delays, construction on the hotel should begin by 2026, and it could open for business as early as 2027. Voyager's designs were inspired, but not in the way that you might think, by Stanley Kubrick's 2001 A Space Odyssey. Kubrick's feel for space was intentionally sterile and isolating. With the Voyager station, designers sought to do the opposite. Orbital Assembly Corporation, the same company responsible for building the space station, will design and build the hotel. The main draw of this hotel is sure to be the incredible views out of the windows, but it has plenty of elements of luxury as well. In early sketches, a structure that resembles a Ferris wheel is depicted with individual pod rooms located around it, offering the ultimate in private accommodations with that view. Visitors will have plenty of entertainment options outside the pods, including a 400-person viewing spot that can accommodate everyone on board, even the staff, along with a lounge and a bar. Also included in the amenities are a spa, a gym, themed restaurants, and even a concert venue that can be enjoyed from a distance, while the hotel circles around the globe in orbit every 90 minutes. Some space tropes will be invoked in the restaurants, including making dried ice cream available to guests, though the restaurants are expected to still be high-end with top chefs on board. The company behind the project has joked that there will be no burgers and fries. Among the key aspects of the project is the use of centrifugal force to simulate gravity. To do so, the entire hotel will spin as it orbits, resulting in an outward force that will mimic the effects of gravity. There will be a substantial change for guests to cope with when they are on board, since the gravity there will be roughly equivalent to moon gravity. Designer Tim Alator explained that the level of gravity will vary depending on your location in the hotel. Activities like basketball, which require low gravity, will be held near the center to explore the extra bounce and leap available in space. Besides the basic amenities for guests, the hotel will have significant self-sufficiency requirements, including extensive facilities for water, air, and power supply, as well as spaces for the staff personnel. Major undertakings are involved in getting to the Voyager, of course. Guests will need to travel on the SpaceX Starship shuttle to reach their destination, which means a period of training must be completed beforehand. This will also unavoidably mean higher restrictions on guests' health and fitness. There are no set room rates yet, but space travel definitely isn't cheap. Just a 3.5-day stay at the hotel is already estimated to cost $5 million. Nevertheless, that is still dramatically cheaper than the $55 million it would take a private citizen to reach the International Space Station. Although it might not be affordable for the majority of people in their lifetimes, the excitement is still real. But if the prices became affordable, would you go? Let us know in the comments section below. And hey, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so we continue giving you the best content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.